again to this makeshift winger. Here comes the cross inside. Back post chance and a goal! And Magesi have the lead. They were a bit slow, the rest in joining up with him, so Pirates have got numbers back. Chance at the back post now for a second. It's an own goal. Magesi are 2-0 up before half-time. Chirambadare saved. The follow-up scores. 3-0 Magesi.
Shepherded by Munyai. This is Chirambadare, the left-footed player. Chirambadare has done beautifully. Can he finish the job? Well, it's nearly an own goal, and it's stabbed into the back of the net. Fabulous stuff. It looks like Makoni, Lechler Maholo. Mabua under pressure. Ball been given away. Stab home by Sebamashiko.
Back into the middle. This is a chance for Mokwena. Good save. Chirambadare in the penalty area. Rare foray forward. The cross back post. Equalizer. Now we've got to come find all our hands. Carrara at the back post scores the goal. That was not easy. The champions of the Carling Knockout for 2024 win the most sensational fashion with the victory over Mamelodi Sundowns here in Bloemfontein.